guys, it's Boy, and I hope you guys are having a blessed whatever the time of the day is for you. Welcome to my room! So, here at the entrance, we have some random stuff. So we have some honey, some tea. Actually, I got this little tea bomb from when I did my field experience. I haven't tried it yet, but they said, let us know how it tastes. And I'm like, okay, I will. Got some hand sanitizer, lip balm. This is like random stuff because I kind of come in and I'm like, okay, I don't know what to do with it. So that's my like random stuff cup. Any papers I have, I kind of just put it here. These are some bottle caps that I want to do art projects with. Hair gel, because I just tend to do my hair here, but not anymore because it's in twist. And this is my Acros uniform, y'all. Excited for the Acros we're having soon. I put my bags and stuff here just because when I come in it's just easier. Just leave it there. Water bottle, take it, grab it, go. Delicious, you know? And then my phone charger because I charge my stuff. So in this one, I have some medical stuff, so like band-aids, like a first aid kit, and also some pampering stuff too because that can split. In here I have some food and parchment paper for when I bake. Oh, and whatever this is called. What is this called? Ziploc bags. Here I have some games. Yes, I got some McDonald's game because I wanted, you know, to play them and they look fun. Don't judge me. Puzzles. Oh my gosh, guys, this game right here, super fun. Y'all should get it. It's called Throw Burrito. In here I have a whole bunch of bags. Oh no! Ah! In here, I have some sauces, some stirring sticks, you know, the kitchen stuff, and some seasoning. Here, a whole bunch of kitchen stuff too. And this one, my cups and stuff, but a lot of them are being dried right now because I just used them and they're being washed, or have been washed. Oh! Bowls and plates. And down here I have my assortment of shoes. And normally I just use those shoes, so they're just there to grab and go. I have my slippers for whenever anyone enters. Up here we have a whole bunch of bags. So in here are my rollerblades, in here are my skates. In here are some like Christmassy like clothing. I have a sleeping bag in here, my purse, my next purse, another purse, and my two backpacks. And this one right here is a Burman backpack. My duffel bag, my two duffel bags. This one's a Burman duffel bag. My master guide scarf, some gloves, hats. These are my shopping bags that I use. Sometimes, most of the times I already have shopping bags inside the bags just in case those ones get messed up. I would go to these ones. This is a purse that I have not used yet. Some more bags in my lunch bag. And then here are my jackets and sweaters. So like winter coats, spring, fall, summer, not really summer. And then there's the sweaters. And this is my Acros sweater, well, my old one. The new one is here. And then some scarves. And here I have my clothes hamper. I have my white laundry because I don't want to mix it and then it gets, you know. And this is a gift from my mom that I have yet to open, but I'm supposed to do an unboxing. But that video will come out soon as well. And a garbage bin for like the entrance area. Over here, we have, who would have guessed, a chair, guys? And these are my going out clothes, so except for here. Right here, we have my robes. One's missing right now, as you can tell the hanger's like, ooh. Up here we have my different types of pants, so my jeans, my sweatpants, my leggings, got my towels. Up here we have onesies and my formal gloves, like they're white gloves. They're so pretty, y'all. In here they're not pads but they're stockings and different types of legging things that I honestly barely use. My weighted blanket, and when I tell you it was difficult to put it up there, it was difficult but fun. I lied, it was not fun. This is my bed and my two suitcases under the bed and my mini suitcase over here as well. And then we have this big purple bin that's full of a whole bunch of cleaning supplies and bedding and hygiene stuff and gloves. Under here we have quite a bit of stuff. Some boxes for dishes. In the white bag there are garlands in the bag with red on it. That one has a whole bunch of hangers, or not that many anymore because half of them are up there. This is my carpet cleaner. It looks messy. Oh my goodness, I didn't clean out the water. Okay, my skateboard. Back there are some paper towels. In here, they're kind of random stuff, but it's mostly school supplies and craft stuff, sort of craft stuff. All right, moving to over on the bed. So on the bed we have a blanket someone can use if they want to get comfortable. The bedding itself, a pillow with emotion. So if you want to like say, oh, I feel, you know. And a little doggy that I got from my friend. Got my extension cord, a shredder. This is my stationery bin. My robe that I was talking about that was missing from the hanger, and the chair. I have a whole bunch of stuff here. Most of them are for when I actually start teaching. So I have some Valentine's Day card stuff at the bottom, some personal stuff in the middle, and then my devotional stuff at the top. And these are just some random books that I said for when I actually start teaching. So I have my Rubik's Cube, some lotion, tape that broke, but we'll fix that later, and staple remover. This is my cutting mat because I do a whole bunch of craft stuff. This is hair supplies that I consider messy just because once I use them I don't want to put them back in with the rest of my hair stuff because I clean my hair stuff and these are a little bit difficult to clean. Well, they're not super difficult, but I use them often enough that I'm just like, okay, let's just keep them in one section. This is like random things as well. And this little thing I got from my friend before I went off to university. It's like, I want to gift it to you. And I really appreciate it. It's so cute. Look at it! This is my little notebook that I keep with me now just because it helps me to remember things because I often forget things. My speaker, my diffuser. I use this bottle to give my babies some water. And my babies are having babies! Look at them grow! Yay! And if you're wondering what's holding the plants up behind there, it's my practicum binder for next year, so that's fun. This shelf. Okay, in here, this is random stuff as well. This one's a little weird or strange, but I have worms in here. I'm growing worms. I was gonna create something out of this and do a DIY video, but I still don't have parts for it, so we're working on that. Some cards that I have. This pot is just here because one, I keep these in here just in case I need to move any dirt around in my pots or change my pots. And I used to have a plant in it, but I'm like, it's just not gonna match everything else because everything looks green or brown. So it's kind of just chilling over here. On this shelf, yes, okay, this should not be here, but I just don't know where to put it right now. I may bring it home, but this is my Pathfinder stuff. So my Pathfinder stash with all my badges. My Pathfinder hat with all the stuff that goes on the Pathfinder uniform, as well as the belt. Some notebooks I got from when I did my practicum this year. The teacher and the class, the kids, everything was so nice, y'all. Some stationery stuff. Oh, my ID from last year, and some more cards, some books, some other school supplies, stationery stuff. And up here, I have some textbooks that I want to get rid of. My practicum binder from this year. A whole bunch of papers from school. Not all of them were from this year, but not all of them from this year are here anyway. A whole bunch of tape that I bought from Costco thinking that I was gonna use a whole bunch of it. Not using a whole bunch of it. Some more notebooks. Up here is all my craft stuff. This is the view I get. So in here, I have stationery stuff. Here is my random stuff drawer. In here, I have bodysuits and some other things that you'd put over your it's kind of like a sweater, but not a sweater. I think they're called cardigans. And in here I have my night clothing. In here I have undergarments and head wraps. In here I have yard clothing and some long socks that I just don't wear because I don't really play soccer anymore. And they were soccer socks. In here I have some shorts and pants that I just don't really wear out, but the shorts I sometimes wear out if I'm gonna play anything in the gym that involves shorts. Here we have my mini fridge with Be Joyful Always that I got from my field experience with the T-bomb. And this is very old, but my little whiteboard. Up here we have my dish rack. I have a lei and a painting. Up here I have my Bath and Body stuff, and in the top one I believe it's miscellaneous stuff, so just random things I have. And in this one I have hats and gloves and random stuff, as I say. In here is my blow dryer, the phone that comes with the room that I don't use. I have some belts in here. This is the diffuser box. My teddy bears, some books, some containers. This is my hair stuff, and a little Hello Kitty. Or is that Hello Kitty? Or is that her friend? And a little cat I got from Danae. Well, not from Danae. I made it, but Danae gave it to me so I can make it because I wanted to make it. Anyway, some skin stuff, body stuff as well. Then this is my little kitchen over here. So I got my water bottle, my Ubuntu water bottle. Y'all should join Ubuntu. Y'all should watch Ubuntu stuff. Y'all should listen to Ubuntu. In this little cart, I have some snacks and noodles. This is where I put my dirty dishes, and then after I wash them, this is my little kitchen bin. And there's nothing in that drawer. I used to hold snacks in there, but I have the broken bin, so it's fine. And this is my bathroom. So welcome, and that's, I'm joking. So inside my bathroom, I have my towel, my shower cap, another shower cap, but this is for when I normally wash my hair. I have some cleaning supplies, some toilet papers, some pads, and I have my bottle cleaner, cloths, scrub brush, a broom and pan. And then up here we have what I normally use daily, my facial stuff, my hygiene stuff as well. This mat would normally be here, but since I normally use the bathroom, like for the toilet obviously, I don't like to have this unless I am showering or coming out of the shower. This is my mop, my paper towel. This is my bathtub or shower, sorry. So I have my conditioner, shaving cream, my razor blade. Over there, I have my body scrub, shampoo, conditioner, and it's called the Full Bloom Hair Follicle Booster. And my shower gel and rag and loofah. And I'm just gonna show you guys what the lights on my ceiling or on my room look like with the blinds closed. And this is my room with the lights. On my ceiling and around my bed. Also, when you enter, you can see these things. So this is like protocol stuff, what to do in case of any type of emergency. And I just leave my keys on there because where else am I really gonna put it? Oh, I forgot to show you this, y'all. Okay, so I got this from my bestie slash sister Yash. It says, it's the little things, and right there in life. Y'all, it is the little things because life sometimes just wants to be like, you know? But anyway, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching my dorm tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Although it looked long, but it's okay. You guys stayed until this point, I hope. But I just like to say thank you to Kylie for helping me to film everything. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.